Good morning, holiday makers. This is a quick video on how to reboot the inverter should you ever need to. It is advisable if there is any form of problem or it's giving some form of error. An error you'd be able to tell if you saw an alarm or an error light come on at the top over here. To see what's going on with the inverter, you can simply just switch on, and that will give you an indication of what is going on the elements of the inverter. To reboot the unit, the first thing that you would need to do is you'd open the front of the bypass switch and take the 3-position bypass switch and push it all the way down to utility bypass, like so. You would then turn off the Eskom supply on the top button over here, like that. You would then go to the batteries over here and switch off the batteries there and there. And then underneath the inverter on the left hand side, you would switch the solar panels off. Once that is done, normally about 20 seconds later, the inverter turns off. There you go. Now to start it back up again, you go back to the batteries, you switch them on. The one battery you'll see is marked as a master battery. On that one, you hold the SW button over there down for 1 second. You'll see the lights restart on the battery. The inverter starts lighting up again. You turn the solar panels back to the on position, and you turn the Eskom supply switch back on top of the bypass switch. The moment you do that, the red light on the contact, the green light on the contactor will come on. There'll be a slight delay, and then the yellow light will come on. Once that happens, the inverter has Eskom supply again, and then you need to wait until the green light comes back on before you turn it back to solar. You can now see the contactor has switched on and the orange light is on, and shortly the green light showing back up, there you go, has come back on again. Once that light comes back on, you simply switch back to solar, like so, and you fully rebooted the unit. Close the front.